Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Edwin Pineda and welcome to my blog edwinpineda.net. And in our today's show, I'll share to you the difference between a home-based jobs and a home-based business. Now, my question is, what is the reason why you are looking for a home-based jobs or a home-based job? Kasi baka or maybe ayaw mo na ng traffic kasi naabot ka ng traffic sa daan, pagpasok, pag-uwi, traffic na naman, okay? Nakakadagdag ng stress, okay? So, second, is yung politics sa loob ng opisina, okay? Merong mas malakas kay boss, mahina kay boss, matagal ang salary increase, so marami. Oh, hindi kailan anong oras ka magbe-break time dahil marami ka pang work, kailan ka pwedeng magbakasyon. So those are the maybe na reasons mo bakit naghahanap ka ng home-based jobs. And there are many home-based jobs that pwede ka umpisa, like medical transcriptionist, pwede kang home-based call center agent, data encoder, so pwede ka ring as a tutorial teacher, so marami. Okay? But you miss the point kasi when you work as a home-based as at a home-based jobs, you are still in a corporate world. Why? Because andun pa rin tali ka pa rin sa time. Tali ka pa rin sa schedules. So, when the call time is from 8 to 5, kailangan on time nandun ka sa nasa desk mo. Okay? Kung saan mong part ng bahay mo yan. And kung ang break mo is 12 to 1, so that is the only time na pwede ka lang mag-break. Okay? So if those are your reasons and you're looking for a home-based jobs, medyo malayo. So, what I suggest, what I recommend is to look for a home-based business. A home-based business can provide you everything that you're looking for. Walang schedule para mag-work, okay? Because you are your own boss. You don't have to hindi mo na kailangang makipaghabulan dahil sa traffic. Hindi mo kailangan makipag plastikan sa opisina dahil sa politics. Okay? Gusto mo kumain, gusto mo mag-enjoy, you can do whatever you want whenever you want, ika nga. Okay? So, how to start an online home business? Kailangan matutunan mo yung concept para mampisan mo yung online home-based business. And para mampisan mo, below this video is a short video presentation to start an online home-based business. Or, if you want, you can subscribe to, click mo yung square button doon, yung how to fire your boss, dito sa left side ko, how to fire your boss. Meron dong information how to start an online home-based business. And, malalaman mo yung concept para mag-umpisa ng mag-business. And you can do it part-time or full-time, it depends on you. Okay? So, yun lang yung gustong i-share sa inyo. So, what is the difference between a home-based jobs and a home-based business? So, if you really want to have more free time with your kids, financial freedom, and looking for more better way para magkaroon ka ng financial freedom, look for a home-based business. Look for a home-based business compared to a home-based job. Okay? So, that's all for today now. Thank you for watching this short video presentation. My name is Edwin Pineda. I'm a home business dad, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.